You can see this is my account right here, and this is my name, Robert Amakuji. See, this room just greeted me. Welcome to see this room, Robert Amakuji. You can see today's date being 29th of December 2022 as I'm recording this video, and the time 12:30 p.m. So you can see the amount of money I made on this CDs room platform, which is 25 Ghana cedis in just 2 days. I made 25 Ghana cedis in 2 days just by giving comments on news. So I'm going to show you how to do that real quick in this video. Hi, my name is Robert, and in this video I'm going to be showing how to make money online with a particular website called CDs Room. CDs Room has been in the system for about 2 years now, and I just want to make this video to show you also how to earn from this particular website. But before, what is CDs Room? CDs Room is an online system channel for users to earn residual income on weekly basis by simple referrals, reading, commenting and liking news on the CDs Room news platform. What you need to do is to go to the description or to the comment section and then click on the first link you see in the comment section to get access to this page. When you are taken to this page, what you need to do, it will tell you were referred by Robert 18. Yes, click on that link and you'll be referred by Robert 18. So now let's fill in our details. So what I'm going to do is a demo account just to show you how to register. So first, full name here, I'm going to go by my YouTube channel's name, Daily Updates. Your email, this is my email right here. My mobile number, you enter your mobile number, then you choose your gender. I'm a male. Then select your country, Ghana, Nigeria or Zambia. This website is available to only 3 countries, which is Ghana, Nigeria and then Zambia. So just choose Ghana. I'm in Ghana. So come here, username, just enter any name you want, Daily Updates. Then you choose a password. After setting your password, come down to where it says payment details, into bracket transactions. Then enter your payment network. If it's MTN, choose MTN. Airtel, choose Airtel to go. Vodafone, choose Vodafone. Vodafone is for Ghana only. Tigo also is for Ghana only. But MTN is for both Ghana and Nigeria, both Ghana and Zambia. But bank transfer is for only Nigerians. Bank transfer is for only Nigerians. So you come here and then choose your network, which is, I'm choosing MTN, which is for Momo for Ghana and then Zambia. Then you come here, enter the name on the account. So my name is Robert Amakuji. Then come down to mobile money or bank account number. After doing that, click on where it says register. Now, great to have you back. Now I already have an account, so I'll just log into my account and then show you what to do next. So just click on login. And now that it has loaded, as you can see, this is my account right here, and I've earned a sum of 25 cedis 10 pesos just for giving comments on news. And I'm going to show you also how to do that. But before, your account, you won't be able to give comments on news if you haven't verified your account yet. If you haven't verified your account, you'll be able to give comments on news. So to do that, when you register an account, come to this come to these three lines over here, click on it and click on where it says vouchers. Click on where it says vouchers. Now as you can see here, purchase a voucher. Please purchase a coupon of 30 Ghana cedis. Please purchase a coupon 30 Ghana cedis only. Please purchase a voucher from an agent below. Do not purchase a voucher from anyone who else contact details are not in this list. Now to purchase your voucher to activate your account, what you need to do is to pick any of the numbers here, WhatsApp them and tell them you want to purchase your voucher code to activate your account, and they will send you a number to send the amount of 30 Ghana cedis to. After doing that, they will ask you to send them your username, and after sending the username, your account will be verified. So the agent will tell you to just log into your account and then start making money. So after purchasing the voucher and then doing all that, come back to where it says home. Now we are going to give our first comment on news and see what we will get. But before, let's see my account. As you can see, I already have a sum of 25 Ghana cedis 10 pesos in my account. I already have a sum of 25 Ghana cedis 10 pesos in my account. So now let's go back and then give comments on the news. Come to the three dots and then click on where it says home, or you can click on account and select today's news. So let's just wait for it to load. And now that it has loaded, you can see there is a lot of articles written over here which you can give comments on. Some are 4 hours ago, 2 hours ago, 6 hours ago, and so many articles on the website. What you are going to do now is to go back. Now for you to get this right, make sure you follow the steps, follow each and every step I'm doing in this video to earn from this platform. For you to earn a lot of money from this platform, come to the first article right here, click on that. When you are done giving the comments, come down and choose the second one. Do that accordingly. If not, when you mix them, you are not going to make that much money, because you want to know whether you've given comments on this one or not. When you don't, if you haven't given comment on anyone, you bypass it thinking you've already given any comment. And if you haven't done that, what you think is, okay, I've not done this, so let me just click on it, and you click and then they'll tell you no, you've already only one comment per article. So what you are going to do is to click on the first one here. Now that it has loaded, scroll to the bottom, and as you can see, others comments. People are giving comments such as hi, okay, cool, KK. Some even haven't read the news. So you come down here and give any comment you want. So I'm just going to give something like okay, then you click on comment. And for that, we've just received 0.10, which is 10 pesos for just giving one comment. Now let's click on OK and then go to the next one. You select the second one, then scroll to the down. Then we give our comment. And click on comment. Also, you just receive another 10 pesos. So let's click on OK, and let's keep on doing that for some time. So now let's move to the third one. you scroll to the down, and then as you can see, we are not even reading this, so just come, then click on OK. Then you've just received another 10 pesos again. So let's move to the next. So now let's click on it, and then scroll down here, and then we enter our comment, which is OK. Then click on comment. Then you thanks for comment, you have earned 10 pesos. So let's do that. So I'll just pause this video and do that for some time, and I'll tell you the number of articles in which I was able to do, or I'll show you my balance at the end of the day. So yes, let me pause this video right here, jump, and then after completing everything, I'll just show you the amount of money I made from this account, from this website, in just a few minutes. Thank you. But before, check the time. It's 12:58 p.m. now. As you can see, it's 12:58 p.m. 12:58 p.m. So now let me try this for at least 30 minutes or below, or any time that I can go. So let's just try this out. So for some time now, I've been doing this, and this is my account balance now. I've earned a sum of 30.20 Ghana cedis, and I can keep on doing this until I've covered all the news on the website. So I just did this for a short time, and as you can see here, I earned something from it. I just earned something from it, and see here, 30.20 Ghana cedis. But before, my balance was less than that, and my balance was around 25 point something, 25 cedis, 10 pesos or so, something like that. So you just imagine giving comments, just normal comments that you're doing on Facebook, and then but for this one you have to come to this website, pay a sum of 30 Ghana cedis. You do this anytime, anywhere you like, then you'll be getting paid for your comments. You get paid 10 pesos for each comment. Also, when you log in into your account daily, they'll give you 10 pesos in addition to that also. So this website also have an affiliate program. They have an affiliate program which you can also invite your friends. Yeah, as you can see here, it says referral link below. It says referral link. Then you can click here. To copy your referral link. Yes, and that's all for this website. So yeah, I think this website is the best, and this is not a scam. This website has been in existence for over 2 good years now. 2 good years. Which site have we seen being in existence such as this? Also, there's another one that will also be releasing, which you can register with 10 cedis, 50 cedis, and also 100 Ghana cedis. With the 100 cedis, for that website, all it deals with is referrals. When you register with 10 Ghana cedis and you refer someone who also registers with 10 Ghana cedis, you get a sum of 90% commission from the person's money that he or she used to register, which means when the person used 10 Ghana cedis in the registration, you will get 9 Ghana cedis as bonus. And also, when the person uses 50 Ghana cedis, you are going to get 40 Ghana cedis for referring that person into this website. Yes, and as for this website, Cedis Room, when you invite one person, you get 20 Ghana cedis for inviting the person. So yes, that's cool. Also, you can withdraw your money simple right here. You can click here to make your withdrawal, and it's simple. Just enter your current balance, withdraw amount, and then that's all. That's all you need to withdraw from this website. And also let's click on achieved earnings to see something. Now achieved earnings, you see, achieve affiliate earnings is 5 Ghana cedis. That's what I just got. Yeah, but the person haven't fully registered, that's why I got 5 cedis for them. But when the person fully registered, I'm going to get a sum of 20 Ghana cedis. Also, I'll leave my link in the description below for you to also register on this website so that you can also start earning as much as you can. You can comment on over 100 blogs, 100 news on this website. Just do that daily and you're going to earn so much from this website. Thank you for watching. But please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. That helps a lot. Your subscription and your likes will help boost this video so that YouTube can promote it to more people like you. Thank you for watching.